Hey nail fam, hope you guys are doing well. I did receive some new glitters that I purchased from Charlie's Nail Art. I haven't purchased new glitters from Charlie's for quite some time, and she came up with some new set perfect for Halloween. So I bought a bunch of them, and I just wanted to quickly show you the names of the new glitter mixes that she has, as well as how they look, just for a few, I don't know, a minute or so before we get into the actual nail design. I'm going to be doing a freestyle today, very similar to the last design that I did. We're going to be doing like a half French as well as a half like solid color nail, and it's inspired by Cruella. All right, so let's quickly go through all of the beautiful glitters. I do have a discount code for Charlie's Nail Art. I'll have that down in the description box as well. And then we'll get into the nail design. All right, so here is a final look at all of the beautiful glitters that I've got from Charlie's Nail Art. Let me know down in the comments if you saw one that was actually like your favorite and that you would like me to do a possible nail design with. Now, another thing that I did pick up, I saw these on Instagram first, and then I've been stalking Amazon UK for quite some time to see when they would show up, and they finally did. So these are some reflective glitter gel liners, which I do not have in my collection. You guys know that I'm obsessed with gel liners. And as soon as I saw these, I definitely had to get them. All right, so these are much smaller than the other RARJSM gel liners that I have previously purchased. The other gel liners are 8 mil and these ones are 5 mil. So I'm gonna need that extra 3 mil, please. Thank you. Just kidding. But anyway, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I would have loved the extra 3 mil in product, but that's perfectly fine. It does come in an information pamphlet, and I decided that the glitter that I wanted to use to create this Cruella is the Dracula glitter, and then I had some one of my favorite nude is Sea Swing and Sun from Nail Addict, as well as some other gel liners from RARJSM that I have from previous collections. All right, now back to these little reflective 5 ml Steel My 3 ml extra 3 ml gel liners. I'm going to quickly swatch these for you so that you can see what the consistency and how they look. They are so pretty. Definitely think you should have these in your gel liner collection. I'm going to quickly swatch these so you can see the colors, and then we're going to get into the nail design. So here is a final look at these stunning, amazing gel liners. They look so much prettier when the flash is on, and they also look really pretty in the sunlight as well. All right, now let's finally get into this nail design. I'm first going to start off by applying the Sea Swing and Sun to my entire nail. First I'm going to go in with the base gel, and then we're going to apply the Sea Swing and Sun, that nude kind of translucent, semi-translucent gel polish onto my nail. I'm going to go with 2 layers. Then we're going to get into the actual Cruella nail design. And I've shown this before. Half of the nail we're going to completely cover in one gel polish color, and then the other half of the nail will do like a really low, deep French in the white gel polish. And we'll give it an outline and put a little bit of nail art on top. So don't want to do too much talking in this video. Just gonna let you watch me create this freestyle nail set. Hope you enjoy. All right, so the nail design is finally done, and now I'm just going to finish off this nail with a little bit of top coat, and then we're going to cure this under the UV lamp. So now that you have an idea of how to do this design, it's going to be relatively easy to finish off the other nails. We're going to go in base gel over all of the remaining nails, give that a cure under the UV lamp for up to 60 seconds. Then we're going to go in with 2 layers of that nude translucent Sea, Swing and Sun gel polish from Nail Reserve. Give them a cure, and then we're going to go in with the nail design. Now, the same design that I have on my thumb, I do on my ring finger, and then on my index, and I think my pinky finger, we'll do a little bit of that Dracula glitter from Charlie's nail art. And then finally, the last remaining fingers, we're going to do a split French again. So half of the nail will be one color, and then half of the nail will be like a deep French color. All right, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Now, I didn't want to leave this nail or these 2 nails just with glitter on top of them. I felt like they needed just a little bit more. So I do go in and add just a little bit of that reflective gel liner. And what we're going to do is just ombre the top and the bottom part into the actual glitter, just so that it has a little bit more color and it doesn't look like spacey glitter all over this nail. Once we're done with that, we'll give that a flash cure under the UV lamp for around 30 seconds, and then we'll finish off by applying a layer of top coat. Now, the rest of the nail design, like I said, is pretty straightforward. It's the exact same nail design as the thumb. We're going to do the exact same thing on the ring finger, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the middle finger, but instead of black, we're going to go in with a red gel polish. Half of the nail is going to be a red gel polish, and I do this off camera and finish it off just so that the video isn't too long. So here is a final look of this nail design. Hope you guys enjoy and like it. Definitely give this nail design a try, and don't forget, if you are interested in Charlie's nail art, I do have a discount code down in the description box. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.